Hi, welcome to the new topic, other utility functions. So we have seen what are aggregate functions, but other than the aggregate functions, there are some helper functions available in MySQL. Let's talk about that. Substring, substring, concat, upper lower, trim, length, coalesce, date time, etc. etc. So these are only few, and these are the specific to the databases. Remember that, very important thing. These functions would be different for the different kind of databases like Oracle, PostgreSQL, MSSQL. Let's see in the terms of MySQL what functions we have. So let me just push the code for earlier session, and let's create a new notebook. Here we can say other functions, other utility functions.sql, and open this as a notebook. Open with as a notebook. Okay, now select star from as customers. Select star from customers. Now what I want to do, I want to uppercase all the names. How do you do that? Right? How do you do that? Uppercase. Select upper name from the customers. Easy. So if you see here, presently everything in the smaller case, right? And run it. Everything would be in the upper form. Can you see that? Uppercase. Make, or you can say uppercase. And there is a lowercase also. The way we have uppercase, we have lowercase also. Can you see everything is in the lower form, lowercase, right? Now if we want to concat something, there is a concatenation also, one function called as concat. So here you can say concat name and age. See now, can you see John Doe, name is name is this. Can you see concat? Concat function is used to concat the name with any other string. Or here you can say arrow, something like this. John Doe 30, Jane Smith 25, like this, right? Upper lower concat substring. Now what I want to do, I want to substring from the start index, end index. How to do that? So here we can say substring, and this name starts from the 1 and end till 5. Run it. Can you see John, Jane, Mika, Emily, substring. So these are some utility functions. Substring, concat, upper lower, trim. So if there are the spaces, some spaces before and after, that spaces would be getting automatically removed. If you want to get the length, see here, length, select length of name from customers and run it. Can you see length is 8? You can get the length and you can get the name also, actual name. Can you see John Doe 8, Jane Smith 10, like that. Length. Other utility functions. Other than aggregate functions, there are these utility functions. Now consider that there is a email. Email, if something is null, and you want to do it with NA or something like that, or hyphen or NA, not available, we do like this, right? Can you see? You'll see NA, select, coalesce, like that. Similarly, you can apply it on the tables also. How do you apply it on the tables? If email is null, what I'm saying, if email is null, then replace email with this NA value. Then replace, presently we don't have anything null, but if there is a null, COALESCE. What do you mean by this? If this is null, replace this with this. So as an example, I have shown you over here. Coalesce null. Can you see null is replaced by NA? Null is replaced by NA. Similarly, if email is null, instead of null, please write NA. So having nulls in the database or having nulls in your data is not good for the processing purpose, right? Having nulls in your data is not good for the analytics and the processing purpose. So nulls need to be removed with some valid string, and that can be done by means of the college. Okay, now date formatting. We have some date. So select date from or DOB. Select DOB from the customers. Can you see the date is in this form? And now I want to format it. And now I want to format it with some YYMMDD, right? YYMMDD. How do you do that? I want to format it by means of YYMM and DD. How do you do that? Format this DOB YYYMMDD like this and do this. YYYMMDD. Format DOB. Format. I think format function is not working correctly. 19. So presently this is our DOB, is select DOB from the customers, and here format DOB YYYMMDD. Okay, I got the idea what's happening over here. I have understood what is happening over here. Okay, I got it, what's happening over here. Now, you need to tell me the solution. You need to write the solution in the comment box. Okay. I got to know what's happening over here. Make some research on the Google. Your database is MySQL and you are trying to format it, and it is giving you answer like this. YYMMDD. Why it is giving you in this and why it is not formatting, that you need to tell me. I just have realized one mistake over here. Okay. So let us try to resolve it in next video. But before that, before going to the next video, you should figure it out on your own. Okay. And then only go to the next video. Be honest with yourself. Thank you. I hope you have got the idea of general functions that database engine provides you to perform actions on the data, right? We'll see in the next video. Thank you. If you have got the idea, write it in the comment box. If you have any questions, also write it in the comment box. Thank you.